にちは、花です。So, I love llamas, by the way, and alpacas. Just wanted to say that. But let's get right into it. Let's get into Japanese the manga way. I have a tripod and everything. Hopefully, it may still be a little jumpy, but I'll try my best. Lesson 1, the 3 basic sentence types. So what do we think about 3 basic sentence types? Well, let's see. This chapter talks about Japanese being based on 3 basic sentence types. And these 3 types are verb, adjective, and noun. In English, just stating a verb or adjective or a noun is a sentence fragment, but that is not the case with Japanese. So if the subject of the sentence is already obvious, they just omit it. They don't put it in there. They don't say it. And let's look at the first comic. It says Sayuri. And let's read what it's about. Yamashita Sayuri has a new boyfriend and doesn't really want to have anything to do with Shinichi anymore. Shinichi wants to tell her how much she still means to him and asks for a chance to talk to her. When she seems to think that they have nothing to talk about, he pleads, "Tanomu!" So, let's see what we learn about it here. So it says "Tanomu." In the direct translation would be request, ask, beg. It's kind of like saying I request or I beg you. So that's the picture there. Tanomu. Now, tanomu means a request or ask a favor. When addressed directly to someone, it literally implies I request this of you. It's obvious from the context that the subject of the verb is Shinichi himself. So there's no need to state it, and that's what we learned before. In conversation, the speaker and the listener are among the first candidates to consider when trying to fill in an unstated subject. So we learn here that he didn't say I request. All he said was request, ask, beg, tanomu. He didn't have to put himself. He didn't even have to put the other person because they're talking to each other and they know what's going on, so there's no reason to do that. So, and that's the way that they do it here with this book. If you look at the bottom, it says PL2 right here, PL2. Now, a good part of this book is that it tells you what the politeness level is. PL2 is for acquaintances and friends. If you go up, PL3 is for people who you want to respect more, and PL4 is like the highest, and then the lowest would be PL1, which is just disrespectful speech. So it's good that they inform you because it's very confusing for English speakers, what politeness level to use for each person, so it kind of helps you with that. And that's it. That's the short lesson for today. So we're going to go into the next one, non-past verbs, maybe tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow. So see you guys then. It was nice seeing you. Bye.